In this video, let me show you how to fix Discord cannot send friend requests. Welcome back everyone to this new video. If you're having issues sending friend requests for some reason, in this video, let me show you a few things that you need to ensure. First thing that you need to ensure is that you have typed in the correct username. So make sure that you do not have any sort of typos and verify the exact spelling, the capital letters and the special characters of the friend that you're trying to add as well. If this is not the case for you, then this might also be the case that the other person or the friend that you're trying to send the request to has not allowed other people or has not allowed strangers to send them friend requests. So within their settings, if they have enabled this setting, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, you'll need to personally ask them to remove this setting, and only then you would be able to send them friend requests. Also, they may have blocked you within this platform. This also might be the exact reason the username is not popping up. Also, you need to make sure that the friend request limit on Discord is only 1,000 friends. So if you have exceeded the 1,000 friend limit, this also may be causing the issue. So in this situation, you need to first of all remove a few friends, and then only you'd be able to send in new friend requests. But however, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can try out is try to reinstall the Discord app onto your device. This is likely happening due to app bugs, so once you download the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be now fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.